Alright, what's going on, you guys? Today is Sunday night. I cannot keep track anymore. Just constantly working every single night. It's just... I'm off tonight, obviously, because I'm doing this. Waiting for Zach to text me when he gets home. Going to be going over there to help him change his brakes on his new car, which you guys haven't seen yet. Okay, so... I'm at Walgreens right now because the battery died. Look, you just pulled up. Just so happened that I'm vlogging. Anyways, I had to get some batteries, but as I was saying, Zach has a new car. So there's the first update. Second update is got me an iPhone 6, and I'm not sure what else has happened since the last time you saw me. And this kid. This so happened I'm vlogging. Gosh, gotta interrupt me doing the intro.
Yellow.
What are you doing?
I'm good. I just got off work. Dude, head. Is it okay?
No. Well, I was getting ready to tell them that I'm getting ready to go to Zach's.
You're really... We're not friends anymore.
And freaking Tim told me what happened.
Did he?
Yeah.
Alright.
And I didn't even watch it yet.
Wait, watch what?
Walking Dead.
Oh. Ooh. I didn't watch it yet either. I haven't watched it in a few days.
Yeah, and he just told me. After I told him
Shit, I didn't watch
that
it.
I didn't watch it yet.
He's like, I died! I don't know if he did or not. But did it reveal it? It did.
What?
It revealed
was.
what happened.
Yeah, I know, and I'm mad now. Thanks, Tim.
Do you gonna come to the Walgreens walk with me for a second? Or do you just go get out of there?
Well, he's trying. We're changing his brakes.
Who's? Zach's?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah. And his dad's like
Dude,
in a hurry, I guess.
Okay. Turn the old Kameron off.
Why?
Because I need to talk to you.
Why?
Like I actually need camera.
Oh. Off camera?
The duty heads.
Okay, well, anyways, let's get into the night. Hello.
Told Ryan to go over them off, and he said, I'm not comfortable coming in.
Well, huh?
That was weird, I didn't know what that was.
That's going to be like the thumbnail.
Okay, whatever.
Oh yeah, by the way, this is his new car. It runs... what is he working on over here?
There's a small oil leak.
Oh yeah.
Trying to find out where it's coming from.
Oh yeah. It's nice vehicular. But these rotors are terrible. They look a lot better now.
Finally.
Well, I was trying to get your like your reaction
Oh.
through the reflection. Got it on there?
She's done.
You did it.
Oh, God. What's your problem?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, yes. It's so smooth.
Is it?
Yep. Compared to the fucking last time. Anywhere from 40 to 60, it'd fucking shake the entire time. And then it would stop. But now it's not.
Oh, there's no sign. I was going to show that. I was at Wendy's. What?
Wendy's.
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 Nuts.
Yeah.
I got you. So I'm hungry, so I got me some nuggets and those Baconator fries because they look good. Good. And I gotta go to the store when I leave his house, so I might as well eat so I'm not buying everything in sight. That's how you shop. And you always shop like after midnight because there's no lines. You can go to the self-checkout, do it yourself, get in and out. So that's what I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what the second yeah was for. Okay. I mean, I can edit two videos, because I had a vlog from like 2 weeks ago that I haven't got a chance to edit.
Luther.
Well, I've been working. I worked every day since the last vlog. Was it? So.
Thank you.
Yep.
Take your food.
Hey, that's my food. Make sure you got mine.
Yeah, son, you make a mess of my car, I'll kick your ass out.
Making sure they put my
Caleb
ranch. Oh, I'm not Caleb. I don't take everything out of my pocket as soon as I get in the car.
That's Caleb for you.
Spider. It's a big one.
It jumps on your fucking lens.
Huh?
I hope it jumps on your lens.
Oh god, I dropped the camera and break it.
Can't have that in here.
No.
I thought I felt something crawling around in my mouth last night.
I forgot to tell him what the other thing was. I got a PS4 with Black Ops 3 and GTA 5. What is that, a meth lab?
Yep.
Is it really?
No.
Oh, what do you make?
Different drugs.
So it is meth lab.
Not meth, but yeah. Oh, this bitch is dying. Whoops.
Oh
Trying to
god.
attack me.
So you're editing like 2 weeks ago vlog. I don't know if I can show this
Why not?
because it's like brand new.
You can just show her. Killed her!
Okay.
Taking a little crap.
So this is Fallout. I don't want to say which one it is.
No, I didn't mean to do that. I have to go back into it. I'll probably get attacked.
Oh, because it freaking loads forever.
Yeah. What?
I don't know.
I'm bedridden.
Huh?
I'm bedridden.
Oh, you're bedridden. Dude, don't move. It looks weird. The way your arm is. It looks... That looks freaky. It's so freaky. Because it looks like you got from your armpit to your elbow, and then it's a stub. And then your... and then your hand is just sitting over there. Like, if this will focus. Wiggle your fingers again. I gotta show you this. A bag of donuts. And go back home. I got Mackenzie for the night, so I can edit and get these vlogs up faster for you. And I was gonna go to the store, but I want to get some sleep before daylight for once. So I'm just gonna go straight home, edit, upload, and go to bed. So I'm not gonna go to the store. Alright, I'm gonna just end it so I can go. Tapped out. So yeah, what do we do? I came over here. He played Fallout 4, fixed his routers. They were so bad. And I edited while he played Fallout. So, if you haven't yet, like, subscribe, favorite. That's it. Give you duty.
I know. Hey, we have got a turkey. In the center.
Oh God.
Go in there. It's not on. Don't knock it off.